This 2026 Jayco Swift 20T is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features a caribou interior, sleeps 2, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B RV features rear bath. This 2026 Jayco Swift 20T is built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 van chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.